Hello YouTube, this is Kat and I'm coming on really quickly to do a tour of my vanity. So this is my vanity. This is the first area that I completed when I did my closet. Please forgive the lighting. I have to make my own. I don't have any natural light in this room. This is a spare bedroom in the back of my house that's faced the woods, so I have no natural light. And then to make matters worse, I put a bookcase in front of the one little light that we did have in here because it never really gave any light anyway. And so I have to try to fill the room up with lamps and chandeliers and stuff. So anyway, I hope you all can see. This is my vanity area. I love her. This is my favorite area of my room. Love, love, love. We'll start right here with this is one of those computer chairs you get from Walmart. But my husband put it together. It was crooked. The back was crooked. So I just told him to take it off. And then I went to my local Ross and got a real fluffy rug. Real pretty color teal rug. I hope you can tell the color. And it was $5. And I just throw it over there. It's really squishy. It's one of my friends' favorite thing when they come. People love that little seat. And I like that I'm able to scoot it all the way under when I need to. And so this is my IKEA desk. This is one of the first things. We didn't do this room in like a weekend. We did things in phases and everything in a process because we didn't have the money just to go and buy everything at once. We did everything in phases. So the first phase was we bought this vanity. It's the $60 vanity from IKEA. It's a desk. We use it for a vanity. And then I got that from IKEA for 60 bucks, like I said. I got this tray from my parents, and I just sprayed it gold, and I corralled all of my acrylic makeup containers in here, and I just put them on a book so that on different books at different levels so that they would tear down so that I could see one behind the other. And then I got these candle votives from Garden Ridge. They were like $4, but I fill them with rice instead of the like glass balls that a lot of people do, because for me it was hard to get my brushes in and out. But with the rice, it's not. And rice you can get from the Dollar Tree. You know, you can get rice pretty easy. You probably have some laying around your pantry, okay? And then I have this lit. Like I said, my room is dark, and I actually do get dressed here. I know a lot of people have like filming areas, but this is actually where I get my life. This is actually where I put myself together. So this light I got from a thrift store for $5. It actually works. It lights up on both sides. It gives like daylight, and it's really, really good because in this room, like I said, because I don't have natural light, I like to turn this light on when I do my makeup so I don't walk out looking like a clown. So if you can invest in a good lit mirror situation, I would say too, but check out your local thrift stores. Again, this was $5, and I've had it for about 5 years. I got this mirror from a family friend who was throwing away this mirror. It was another color, I forget. It was pretty ratty, but I sprayed it gold, and I've had it for years now, and I just add a little bit of rhinestones to it. This Merlin picture I got from my dad. He brought it for me. It's one of my first big Merlin pictures that I had. I've had it for about 10 years, and I think he got it from Kirkland's. The mirrors that surround her, those little stars, I got from my local Salvation Army years ago. They was 25 cents each. I never had anywhere to put them until I decided to do this room, and I was like, great, these are perfect. I'll put them out here. So I really love them. Just adds a little something to the wall there. Now, coming down my vanity, I have just a little Dollar Tree tray with a little thrift store flower find for 99 cents, a little mirror that my mom gave me. I have to have a fan. When I'm doing my makeup and I have all these lights on and my hot tools, plus I just get hot all the time, I have to have me a really good fan so that my makeup don't start running, you know. So I live by a fan. When you're rushing around trying to get dressed for church and the kids asking you questions, you're running late, it's good to have a good fan to cool yourself down while you're getting ready. Also, again, another tray. I have another clear tray, acrylic tray, that I just keep some of my perfumes on. I keep some of them in my bathroom on a tray as well for when I come out of the shower. I keep a lot of body sprays and stuff in there, but this is a lot of my perfumes in here. One of my favorite purchases is this lamp that I got from, you guessed it, Goodwill a long time ago. This is one of the first things that I did back when my vanity was in my bedroom. Seen this lamp and I decided to make me a little vanity in my bedroom, and I just took a little desk that my parents weren't using, my mom wasn't using anymore. She gave it to me, and I just set a little corner in my bedroom and I made me a little vanity, and I was so happy. But I got this little, this is so pretty. You know how I like gold and white. I think it's so classic, so vintage, so chic to me. I added the little rhinestones to it. This lamp was $2. It did not have a shade. I went to my local Garden Ridge a couple years ago. I found this beautiful linen, pink linen lampshade. It was on sale for like $10. I think someone had returned it because it didn't have the plastic on it anymore, but I didn't care. It's wonderful. It has a beautiful linen rose on the front of it, and it actually matches my pink little thrift store fine chair. They're the same exact material. It's just crazy how things work out like that. And that was purchased, that I just purchased that maybe a year ago. So now, like I said, I actually sit here to get dressed. So on this side is where I get my hair together. I keep all my combs and my brushes. These bins I got from the dollar store, and like, you know, toothbrush for my baby hairs, slick stick. I have elastic bands down here for my wigs and closures, hair clips, my scissors, hair glue. Again, these bins came from the Dollar Tree. I keep rubber bands, pin curl clips, gel, sewing stuff, bobby pins, even some hair grease back there. So this helps me to keep organized. I could just sit here and from left to right reach everything. And then in the next drawer, I keep all of my, well, all the makeup that I have. And I have recently cleaned this out a bit, got rid of stuff that was broken or about gone. So I do need to fill up again, but I like to use things as I need them. If I don't need more eyeshadows, whatever. But I did order some eyeshadows for the fall, and I can't wait. It has some really pretty plums and rust colors in there, and I just can't wait. So I just keep lip balms and my powder, eyeshadows, little things like that, and I keep my nail clips and stuff like that in there. I have room to grow. But yes, ladies, this is my little vanity, and I hope you have enjoyed. I hope it wasn't too dark, but you know, we do the best we can. I don't have, like I said, this is just a very dark room. I don't have any natural light, so I'll do the best I can. But ladies, I do encourage you all, if you don't have the money or even the space to have a full-out vanity like this, I do encourage you to try to make some little corner for yourself. You will feel so good when you get organized. And also, ladies, you know, as women, we go through so much, but this is the fun part of being a woman. You know, as women, we have to deal with so much in the world, but getting dressed up and being girly and having all this little girly stuff around, it's the best part about being a woman. You know what I'm saying? It's the fun part, I should say. So I encourage everyone to carve out a little spot. Like I said, I started with a little corner in my bedroom with nothing but a lamp, my jewelry box, and a little bit of makeup, and I felt wonderful. You could not tell me I wasn't on Dynasty. I loved it. So I just encourage you to try to find a little spot of your own, and it doesn't take a lot of money. Like I said, I started with a random table that someone gave me and Goodwill finds, and you know, I still mostly have Goodwill finds. You know, go to your local thrift stores, but always remember, if you're going to shop thrift, to also donate. But ladies, I encourage you to do something special for yourself, and as always, be good to others, but most of all, be good to yourself. Have a blessed day.